Heavy construction due to be completed in 2021. Well, folks, as we come out from underneath this bridge, the portion of the convention center that has been replaced is off the left side of the boat. If you look off the front of the boat to the left, that big green space is the base where seating for the new outdoor theater will be built. If you look off the back of the boat to the left, you see the new patio section of the convention center. And up to my right, you see the Lila Cockrell Theater, named for Lila Cockrell, because like Henry Gonzalez, she also was an icon of public service to San Antonio for almost 5 decades. She began her career as a young woman, serving as a Girl Scout leader, working her way through city offices and politics to be elected to a number of terms on our city council. That service led to her election for 4 terms as our first female mayor, serving the non-consecutive terms between 1975 and 1991. Folks, if you look to my right and up, you see the Grand Hyatt Hotel, opened in 2008. It is the newest hotel with frontage along the waterfront. And it is of a unique concept. The cement portion of the building is the hotel, while the upper floors, encased in glass with balconies, are condominiums. Now, folks, as we come out from underneath this bridge, if you would like an unobstructed view of both the Grand Hyatt Hotel and the Tower of the Americas, look off the back of the boat over my left shoulder and above the bridge behind me. From this angle, well, folks, as we come around the corner here and re-enter the Kroger Center Mall extension, we're back where we started. So this is the termination point of our tour. I do hope that you have enjoyed your boat ride this evening. I hope that you have enjoyed the San Antonio Riverwalk Water Park and its history. We at Go Rio Cruises would like you to like us on Facebook and to follow us on Twitter. Now, folks, if you did enjoy your tour this evening, a tip for your boat captain is allowed, accepted, and greatly appreciated. One final request, would you please remain seated while I dock and secure the boat? I will tell you when it is safe to depart. When doing so, please be sure to take all your belongings with you. Once again, my name is Mike. I want to thank you for riding with me this evening.